Hi there! Welcome back to Herbs and Garlic, the place where we turn ordinary ingredients into extraordinary delights. Today we are making these delicious taco salad bowls. These vegan vegetarian taco salad bowls are too addictive to stop at once. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking.
Let's get straight into it. Heat up a pan on medium-high heat and drizzle in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Toss in 230 grams of mushrooms. You can use sliced or whole mushrooms. I like to use mini whole mushrooms for this particular recipe. Let that sizzle for 2 to 3 minutes before adding in chopped red chili for a hint of heat. Now add in 4 to 5 cloves of minced garlic. Let them sizzle for 2 to 3 minutes before adding in spring onions and some bell peppers. Time to bring in the protein powerhouse, a 500 ml can of mixed beans. Drop in a vegetable bouillon cube dissolved in a bit of warm water for that savory kick and sprinkle in the spices. A tablespoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of cumin powder and a pinch of salt. Let that fiesta simmer for about 15 minutes until the beans are cooked through. Feel free to add a splash of water if needed to deglaze the pan and intensify those flavors. And now for the sweet finale. Add in half a cup of sweet corn. Turn off the heat. At this point, taste test and adjust spices if needed. Let those flavors sit in the pan for 5 minutes until the taco shells heat up. Speaking of which, heat up those hard-shell taco bowls according to the package instructions with or without a sprinkle of cheese for that extra indulgence. It's time to assemble these marvelous taco bowls. To the heated taco shells, add a crisp layer of chopped lettuce and generously spoon in our mushroom and bean mixture. Top it off with a squeeze of lime and if you're feeling extra fancy, a dollop of sour cream.
Next time you want to impress your family and friends, you have to make these. As usual, share and tag me in your creations, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Ciao!